I have a Lennox L296 UF furnace and I keep getting E225 error. High pressure switch error. It is 3 years old. Got this error for the first time today. I still have heat, but only first stage. Was wondering if it is something that I can take out and clean or replace.
The error is caused from the high stage switch not closing when it should. The issue is caused by either insufficient vacuum on the switch or a defective switch. We would need a manometer to verify the pressure to see if it is correct. Without the manometer, about all you can check is to make sure vent is not blocked and water is not backed up in drain.
And on the Lennox EL296 UF, is it checked through the orange vacuum lines or the black ones?
Let me check. Sorry, my manual does not show me colors, but it will be through the negative pressure tap as shown here.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.